This is a quick highlight and review and really solving a problem on how to install the handle on this Razor Mod Petite scooter. I saw tons of videos on how to assemble this, and the assembly is pretty straightforward. However, when you watch other videos, customers are talking, including myself, are like, dude, it takes like an hour to get this handle in the right position. So today I'm gonna show you, I won't even call it a hack, out of frustration, what I did to solve that, to get it in the right position. So if you were watching this wondering, how do I get the handle in there? It's not straightforward. It's like trying to put this in a dark hole without being able to see where it's at. Dude, this hopefully is gonna just show you one quick strategy. I'm not saying it's the smartest strategy, it just worked. And I just wanna show you what that looks like. Well, I'm Scott from Dad's Approved Product Reviews. Thanks for watching. Out of frustration, as I mentioned earlier, I just wanted to show you a quick, this is a Christmas assembly hack, and really, I wouldn't even say it's my best advice. It's just how I finally able to get the handlebars into the right position after reading some forums and watching some videos and people's comments. So I thought, hey, I'm gonna record this, show you what I did, and it worked. So anyway, so the key thing is what I did is, because the tension is you're putting this handlebar in the hole blindly, hoping that you get it in there. The assembly video from the company, and I imagine it's a great product. We have not, run this yet, although I charged it and it does run. It just makes it sound so easy, and it wasn't as quick and easy as you would think. So what I did out of frustration was I just unscrewed these first 6, and really I actually did all 9. But you just need to do the first 6. Give yourself a view point right here so that you can actually see what you're doing. The key is, on the instructions here, so you've got your steering bolt and your wedge. The wedge is that black piece with little beveled edges all around it. You want to screw that in so that it can go right into the metal pole below. And then it's got a little push bar knob, and that has to go below this black outline right here, and I'll have a close-up or the black plastic piece here. And then you have the safety line that they're talking about, and that's how you're able to get it to turn with the wheel. I was having no success, forcing in there, and finally undoing this, seeing kind of what I was doing, finally was able to get it through. And then the safety knob, and if you just kind of, what I found is like just twisting it, just turning it like this, having a better viewpoint, it finally gets in perfect position. So that's essentially all you've got to do. But I found just being able to have a better viewpoint, and I'll have a video of this so you can see where the push bar knob is now right above this metal bar, and then the safety line is here. Now it's fully attached and moving, and all you got to do now is screw this in, snap these back into place and screw these back in, and then do the tire. Make sure you do the tire last. My wife kept on telling me, like, hey, did you put the tire on first? That's why it's not going in. But I would say it is you do need to make sure you do this one last. And all you got to do on that is, and make sure you have all of your equipment. Now that this is in, although I don't have things screwed back in, you're going to notice it goes in like that, and then it has the pieces, and I think I have it in my pocket. All right, so what you'll notice here is this goes in. You want to make sure it goes into, there's an opening, and then you screw it, and then you tighten it with the right tools. All right, so with your proper tools, you can tighten those even further. I'll see you back, but look at that. We got it moving. I'm gonna screw these back in, and then I'll show you a quick little power on and give you my quick dad review. All right, so we've got this assembled where we tightened the bolt up top, got the handle on, tightened the handlebar, put the screws back on here. Also, I tightened the wheels and then also air pumped the tires. And this thing has been charged overnight, I think 12 hours. It's ready to go. I've got it powered on. Have a little clip showing you of my daughter, riding it real quick inside, but this is not meant to be a full review of how it performs over time, because we just got this for Christmas for my daughter, and I wanted to show you how to solve this problem. But I just want to give you my quick dad rating based on what I've experienced so far. So it's an acronym that I came up with for my channel. So durability, it's called DAD, durability, affordability, DAD approved, functionality, so really functionality, affordability, and also durability, because I want it to be a acronym. So here we go, durability. I will say for what you are getting, obviously you got plastic components, obviously metal pieces, but man, these are, I would say, just quick glance, these are sturdy and nice brakes, soft handlebars here, and then a plastic piece to kind of allow yourself to get the engine going and the kind of your gas. But I would say durability so far, it's good. I was a little nervous seeing a lot of plastic pieces, but overall, just first look, it seems like it's going to be functional. And this is a pretty soft cushioned chair as well. I mean, like firm, but also a little padding there. And again, for a kid's bike like this, a moped, I think it's just fine. Affordability, I think it's over like $200, maybe $230, but then we got it on sale, I believe $170. I don't know exactly, but I think we got a good Christmas deal. So it seems like it's within reason of what is out on the market, especially if you wait for a holiday deal. You can get a better price if you wait. So affordability, I would say is within reason. Functionality, does it do what it says it's going to do? Once it's put together properly, you kind of get through the frustration of the handlebar. It definitely says, I'm not going to give this part a 5 stars because I'm actually giving this whole thing a 4-star because of how frustrating the handle took. But once it's together, it looks good. It charged, and no issues on the charging aspect of it. It stands on its stand, which is really important for my daughter. We wanted something really compact for our 2-car garage that could just, versus we had something a lot larger, big car, electric car. So this was a great upgrade that just allowed us to have a little bit more room, but something fun for our daughter to learn how to balance and ride. So I would say my dad rating is a total 4 stars. Maybe I'll do another review 6 months from now or so. Let me know in the comments if that's something you want to see down the road to see how it's still holding up over time. Well, if you're finding value in this video, be sure to let me know in the comments what part of the video was helpful for you, what questions you may have, and if there's other products that you want to see that are dad approved, things that you would be interested in as a dad for me to review, or products as a dad that you're putting together for your kids, let me know, and we'll research that. So from my home to yours, dad approved product reviews.